are you? Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? How are you today? How are you doing, boys and girls? How are you doing today? I hope you're all doing fine. I am doing well. My name is Miss Irene, and today we are going to learn more sounds. Today I have sound E. I have sound L, and I have sound K. I hope you're all seated well and ready to learn. This is sound E. Can you all say E? Sound L. Can you all say L? Sound K. Can you all say K? E. Sound E. E. Can you all say E? K. K. Can you all say K? L. Can you all say L? L. Sound L. Sound L for lion. L for little. L for left. Sound K. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for kitten. A for eggplant. A for electricity. A for elephant. Can you show me sound E? This is sound E. Good. Can you show me sound L? L. Good. Can you show me sound K? K. Very good. L. K. E. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We are going to learn more sounds in the next lesson. You can ask your parents or your guardians to help you with more words for the sounds that we have learned. Until next time, bye bye!